Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando con esta página, page number 102, and we have to listen to our song and then we have to find those toys, okay?
Track 67. Put your toys away. Put your toys away. Put your toys in the toy box every day. Put your books away. Put your books away. Put your books on the bookshelf every day. Give your old toys away. Give your old toys away to other children who want to play. Give your old books away. Give your old books away to children in need who want to read.
Very good. That's a song for this page. And then we found the next toys. Teddy bear. Oh, there is the teddy bear. Monkey, the monkey. The fire truck. A ball, una pelota. Ball. Truck. Okay, los encerramos. We circle those toys and then we talk about why is it important to give your old toys to others. ¿Por qué es importante regalar nuestros juguetes? A veces ya no jugamos con ellos. We have a lot of toys. Some kids don't have any toys, and that's why it's important for us to share, to give those toys if we don't need it, to people or to kids that they don't have any toys. That's very important. We talk about it, and that was a great lesson. Okay, today practicamos con esta página entonces. 102. Nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Friday. See you later. Bye bye.